Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching from. Welcome to Ugandan Kitchen in another video. In today's recipe, we are preparing this free ingredients cake recipe. It is so easy to make. We are not going to be using sugar in this cake, no milk, so it is dairy free, no oil, no butter. It is so easy to make with very few ingredients, just 3 ingredients, and you are good to go. So we start by measuring 2 cups of oats. Yes, those are already rolled oats. We are going to be making our oats flour. At this rate, make sure that you are already preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. So we add it in a blender and we are going to blend it until we have it in flour, or you can just get the oats flour from any supermarket around you. Then to that we mash up 3 to 4 bananas, ripe bananas, and then we add 2 eggs. So these are our ingredients that we are going to be using in this recipe. So easy, like you can see, and you can easily get this from any supermarket around, from any store around. So once you are done mixing everything, you can as well flavor with a little bit of vanilla extract just to have that vanilla essence in this cake, or you can as well use orange extract. It works just fine. Then we get our oats flour that we have made and then we add it in. These are our 3 ingredients that we are using in this cake recipe. So literally we have the oats flour, we have the banana, and then the eggs. To that we add in a little bit of salt, and then baking powder and baking soda. I have already left the measurements there. You can just pause and then take note of that. Then you mix everything. Just mix to incorporate everything. Don't overwork the mixture. So at this rate, you can add in some dried fruits, some nuts, some chocolate chips, depending on what you would really love to make out of this cake. So once we are done mixing, make sure that you have already a greased pan, or you have lined with a parchment paper, and then you pour into your loaf pan, and then you good to go. At this rate, we are going to be baking this cake. So you can see how easy it is. Kindly help me grow by subscribing to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. So you pat it down just to make sure that you remove all those air bubbles, and then you garnish with oats, or you can just garnish with a banana, and then you are good to go. So we are going to bake for 25 to 35 minutes, or until you can insert a knife and it comes out clean, and you are good to go, and your cake is ready, and you can enjoy it with your family and loved ones. So like you can see there, we are good to go. So within no time, your cake is ready, like you can see there. So once you insert a knife and it comes out clean, it shows that your cake is ready and it is good to go, and you can now flip it over, let it cool, and you can slice it and have it with your family and loved ones. So just like that, our cake is ready and it is good to go. So I hope you like this video. Kindly help me grow by subscribing to the channel, like and share. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. A very simple cake with very few ingredients within no time, and you are good to go. So just like that, you see that it is well baked, it is well moist, and then it is sweet but not so sweet. So just like that, it is so easy. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Share with me where you are watching from this video and what you would love to see on the channel. So until next time, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.